Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the brand new 2019 Chevy Blazer RS. This all-wheel drive Blazer comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your black Chevy bow ties, back tinted windows, and 20-inch dark Android machine face aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this Blazer, you can see that we do have our premium Bose audio system. We have jet black leather seating with a red lining and red indent throughout the entire car. We have a moonroof, and when it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated and cooling seats on both sides, a spot to charge your phone, your controls to switch to sport and all-wheel drive or two-wheel drive. We have your push to talk, front collision alert, a heated steering wheel, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.